The difference between us and other companies is that we care about the clients and our staff.
Day to day, we want to make sure that the client's getting the best service possible. There's not many companies that can say that they visit site every month to carry out the checks, where us at Tame, we make sure we're there. We think that communication is key.
We've got a proven track record that companies can trust Tame Cleaning. With us coming in, it's been peace of mind for them to show that we're going to do a good job and they're going to be happy.
Customers coming to us to outsource their cleaning, we want to make sure we're experts in cleaning. That's why they're outsourcing it. We want to make sure they're trained properly, that we've got the right staff and the right jobs, doing the right things, using the right tools, using the right chemicals. That's our expertise and that's what we want to bring to the customers, really.
We make sure our account managers are doing regular quality checks on site, seeing their cleaning operatives, seeing the clients, to make sure that all areas are getting cleaned to a very high standard.
I've worked for Tame for like 12 years now, and seeing the progress from when I started to now is a testament really of all the hard work that everybody puts in on a day-to-day basis.
The actual service that we provide to the customer is far better. If they've got a problem, they can pick the phone up knowing that one of us guys here in the office will be there within probably 20 minutes.
I was really impressed by their approach, their standards, the fact that they're actually a family-owned business, and it's been a breath of fresh air actually, just their approach, the way that they treat their staff. We want the best for our pupils, and that means making sure that everybody else that's involved with them is giving us the best service, and we've certainly got that from Tame. I've never had a complaint about them.
We moved into this premises 14 years ago. Tame came in and we've stayed exactly together as supplier and a customer. Great partnership. I'm very, very happy with what is done on a regular basis and on an ad hoc basis as well.